If you are planning a festival, a celebration, or just want to treat someone special, you know the meal is not complete without the perfect creamy sweet finish. And today we are making a classic rich delicious Semiya Payasam. On that note, hello and welcome to the new episode with me Jyotsna, and let's get into the yummy prep. Firstly, heat 1 tablespoon of ghee in a pan. And roast 1 cup of semiya to a light brown color. Once the semiya has been roasted and turns light golden, add in about 2 tablespoons of finely chopped almonds, 2 tablespoons of cashews, 2 tablespoons of pistachios. You can also use any nuts of your choice, whatever you like or have at home. Well, roasting the nuts along with semiya saves the time and also gives a wonderful mixed aroma. The ghee, the nuts and semiya all blend together beautifully and make the sweet taste even richer. Now you can see the semiya and nuts are roasted well and have turned golden. It's time to add milk. I'm adding around 500 grams of milk now. Let it cook on low flame, keep stirring in between so that the semiya doesn't stick to the bottom. As the semiya cooks in milk, it starts to absorb the milk and turns a little thick or hard. That's completely normal. Now adding in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Whenever you feel the mixture is getting too thick, just add a little more milk to bring it back to a loose creamy consistency. Now that our semiya is nicely cooked and creamy, it's time to sweeten it up. Here I am using about 1 cup of mishri instead of regular table sugar. I am adding whole mishri cubes directly into it. They'll slowly melt as the milk simmers. If you prefer, you can even powder the mishri and add to it. Both ways work beautifully. See, the mishri has been melted nicely. Well, mishri or rock sugar is a healthier option. It's a less processed, gives a mild natural sweetness and also helps in cooling the body. Now I am adding about 2 tablespoons of chironji seeds. They give a rich nutty flavor and a lovely texture to the sweet. As the mishri melts, you'll notice the sweet turning a bit thick again. So I'm adding a little more milk now to loosen it up and bring back to the perfect creamy consistency. Our semiya sweet is now done and ready. It's creamy, tasty and smells amazing. Just garnish it with some roasted nuts on the top to make it even more flavorful and lovely. Now it's ready to serve and enjoy. Hope you enjoyed this episode. See you with another interesting recipe. Till then, happy eating. Thank you.